Stop buying bulky drills that add clutter but still struggle with household jobs. The DeWalt DCD701F2 is the compact, balanced default switch for tighter access or bigger projects. Choose by job size, working space, power, and storage. For most homes, get the DeWalt DCD701F2 Xtreme 12V Max Brushless 3/8 in drill/driver kit. It's easy to grab for repairs, furniture, shelving, hardware, and occasional larger wood projects. The compact, balanced body gives you useful household capability without taking over your storage. But this 12VOLT platform isn't built for demanding work or masonry. Skip it if you regularly bore large holes, drive long structural fasteners, or renovate for extended stretches. For the smallest practical option, choose the Milwaukee 3401-22 M12 Subcompact Brushless 3/8 in drill driver. Its short, light shape is easier overhead, inside cabinets, and in corners where a larger drill becomes awkward. It also makes sense when storage space is scarce. You give up drilling force and runtime compared with the DeWalt 12VOLT pick, while the battery layout thickens the lower grip. Skip it for frequent deck work, large holes, or power-hungry projects. Buy DeWalt's DCD703F1 12V5 head kit for cabinetry, trim, and repairs in cramped, irregular spaces. Its offset and right-angle heads help you drive fasteners beside edges or around obstructions. That versatility is useful when a conventional drill can't get squarely into position. Expect a higher price, one battery, and a slightly bulkier tool than DeWalt's regular 12VOLT drill. Don't choose it for routine household fixes if those specialty heads would sit unused. Choose Milwaukee's 360122CT M18 INCH kit for regular builds, long fasteners, and demanding home repairs. It offers faster hole making, more screw-driving force, and added runtime for repeated larger holes. Despite that muscle, it's not excessively long for a higher output drill. Still, it's heavier in hand than 12VOLT choices and costs more than light-duty users need. Don't buy it for picture hanging or furniture assembly when portability and lower cost matter most. Quick split: DeWalt DCD701F2 for most homes, Milwaukee 3401-22 for minimal size, DeWalt DCD703F1 for specialty access, and Milwaukee 360122CT for bigger recurring projects. Before buying, check your largest likely job, tightest working area, available storage, and whether specialty heads will actually leave the case. Start with the DeWalt DCD701F2 and less space, unusual access, or heavier work clearly demands a switch. Buy the smaller Milwaukee for cramped jobs, the multi-head DeWalt for corners, or the M18 for recurring builds. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.